We all know the saying, there's a first time for everything. Well, that is exactly what is about to happen. Penny Lane is back with not one, but two of her hero products. And one of them is my favourite product, and it's absolutely free. Here with this never before seen mega deal is Penny Lane. Hi, Penny.
Hey, Kaz. Now, today I have my two heroes together for the first time. There's so many positives about ageing, but the effect it has on our skin can be hard to accept, and we shouldn't feel bad about wanting to look and feel our best. So with today's special offer, I'm sure that we can all feel more comfortable in our own skin with these two products that bring such amazing results.
Yes.
And when you grab a bottle of My Perfect Eyes, I'm going to give you a 5 treatment kit of My Perfect Facial absolutely free. So for under $100, you will get My Perfect Eyes and My Perfect Facial 5 kit for free. Hurry, scan the QR code below or visit myperfecteyes.com.au, or you can call the number below and shop with Afterpay. And as always, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee.
She's very, very good. And the best free gift that you could absolutely ever offer. You've got two of your hero products together in one pack.
I do, because people always ask me, what's the difference between My Perfect Eyes and My Perfect Facial? And do I need both? And the answer is a definite yes, because they go hand in hand. My Perfect Facial is what you refer to at home as your instant facelift. It's a serious treatment product for the face and neck that will lift, firm and tone the skin in just 20 minutes, and you'll get results like you're seeing right now. And My Perfect Eyes is the quick fix, just 60 seconds to see the results. And that delivers a smooth effect under the eyes without the syringe, and it lasts for up to 8 hours. Just one simple topical application makes a radical difference, and the results, Kaz, are clinically proven.
And that is why you need both. So all you need to do is scan the QR code below, go to myperfecteyes.com.au or give them a call. Penny, this pack has never been done before.
Never, ever done this before. And as you know, Kaz, My Perfect Facial is really easy to use. It comes with full instructions. You just paint it on your face and neck. It sets tight, and this is where it gets to work. It contains an ingredient called Peel Moist, which I believe is the world's best ingredient to exfoliate and remove those dead layers of skin. And once removed, apply the powerful collagen soak and expect results like you are seeing now. Take a look at the screen and see the huge difference in Janet's skin.
Amazing.
Yeah, it restores that firmness and bounce with salon grade results. It really is for those of you wanting that wow change to your skin. It's a total confidence boost, and with regular use, the results get better and better.
And of course, the other hero product, My Perfect Eyes. Penny, you're going to do a live demonstration now to show us just how quickly we're going to see results in our own home.
I am. I love doing the live demonstrations, and I've got the gorgeous Kerry here. Now, it's really easy to apply. First up, you need clean, dry skin. Give the bottle a little shake, and then the less you use, the better it works. And you just start on the inside corner.
Clean, dry skin, easy. Just
Yeah.
once you apply, you start seeing it work straight away.
Straight away, don't you? And feather it down onto the cheekbone. Just to speed it up, I'm going to gently fan it. You don't necessarily have to fan it if you're at home, but it will make it dry a little bit quicker. Now, get the camera tight here on Kerry, because I want everybody at home to see these results working. Can you see, Kaz? The lines, the wrinkles, the dark circles, they're all just starting to disappear. And these results will last for up to 8 hours. And once dry, you can apply My Perfect Foundation over the top of it.
So quick, so easy. Just head online, give them a call or scan the QR code and don't miss out.